Akenya aria matakoretwo no hoti muiganu wa kurihira marihi ma kandi ya kwamukira motungata ma urigiti ya NHIF, thirikari riu ni marumbuitie na njira ya kunyihia marihi macio kuma muigana wa ciringi 500 nginyagia ciringi 300. Akiaria hindi ya mambura ma gukungwira thiguku ya Jamhuri, President William Ruto augite kuhuthio kwa marihi macio gugukorwo gugiteithiriria Akenya kugia na mweke wa kwamukira urigiti na njira ya raithi na oho kumaura murigo muritu wigie marihi ma thibitari.
The new funding model that is fair, equitable and progressive will see the government of Kenya for the first time pay the cost of health insurance for all vulnerable Kenyans who have no ability to pay.
Kuringana na President, bururi NIIHOTETE gukinyukia ikinya rimwe mbere guokania ugima wa mwiri, kuona ministry ya ugima wa mwiri NIIHOTETE kugathika mitaratara mikinyaniru egie kurigiriria mirimu, undu uria ukinyanire kuhitukira uthuthuria wa mirimu, Akenya gukorwo magithurimwo mirimu itiganite mahinda kwa mahinda, o undu umwe na uheani wa neti cia kurigiriria murimu wa malaria.
Our universal health coverage plan seeks a paradigm shift in the provision of healthcare from curative to a largely preventive and promotive approach.
Murigo muritu uria ukoretwo cianda-ini cia Akenya na makiria ria magumirwo ni mirimu iria kaingi ihuthagira mbeca nyingi hari kurigitwo, kwa muhiano murimu wa kansa, murimu wa cukari gatagati-ini ka mirimu ingi. President augite murigo uyu ni ugukorwo ukihutha kuhitukira mutaratara mweru wa kandi ya kwamukira motungata ma urigiti, amu kandi iyo iri no hoti wa gutangikira mirimu iyo gutekumakania ni Mukenya wa gikiro kiriku.
The laws we have enacted now provide a framework in the Emergency, Chronic and Critical Illness Fund that will liberate the people of Kenya from the burden of catastrophic hospital bills in the treatment of conditions like cancer.
Ateithiriria arigitani matanyihiire 100,000 matura-ini thiini wa kaunti ciothe 47 mahotithitie Akenya gukorwo makimenyekana mathina hamwe na mirimu iria mari nayo na makahota kwamukira motungata ma urigiti na njira ya raithi.
I commend counties who have already paid community health promoters their stipends and commit that the national government will pay our portion beginning the end of this month.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.